right, so we're over here at JDM Hawaii. There's 5 K cars getting worked on at the moment.
All right, so this one came in for what we call a level 1 inspection. So we're gonna do an all-around inspection, check the fluids, check the brakes and transmission. I mean, pretty much everything. So over here, we're checking the AC, making sure that obviously it's all up to par. Here, periodically we have to adjust the idle. So this was idled down already based on the altitude in Japan, based on where they are.
Yeah.
The idles they just idle different. Sometimes they're really high and sometimes they're really low. So in this one, it needs a little adjustment. So if you can hear, you're gonna hear how it's running.
Yeah.
Too low. You can hear?
Yeah. That's a little too high.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. This
Right
looks like a speed thing.
And this has a lot of quirky stuff in it. I don't even know what it is. It's got a temperature.
It came with these LEDs, or you
came with the LEDs.
Oh wow!
Look at this.
Oh, it has a clock.
Yep.
I've never
and
seen
a cigarette light and the
USB.
And the USB.
Yeah.
And watch this.
Wow.
It came with that, and it came with a bunch of clips like GoPro or something, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
That's aftermarket. Speakers. It has a horn of some sort. I'm pretty sure. I don't know what this is. I'm about to find out. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
But that's aftermarket. With the Jumbos, you don't really have much back here to work with. You got a little sliver and that's it. That's all you got to work with. So that's what we're doing. Tires are good. So you can hear the idle is good.
Comes on rims too, which is rare on these Daihatsus.
So what we're gonna do, all of these tires have a lot of meat. We still want to basically get down in there and take a look and see, let me get a flashlight, if there's any cracking.
Yeah.
So this is just stress marks because this is a lot of beef. It's just stress with this going on, but there's no actual dry rot. Over here, this is sold unit, and we just put on brand new tires, 80 PSI rated. So we're checking everything, just doing a once over. We're putting new wheel lug nuts rather on this as per the customer's request, and get it ready to get shipped out. Over here, if you look at this are customer's tires, but as you can see right here, these are dry rot. So this is extremely dangerous. I would not recommend driving at all on this tires. You see this just dry rot all the way around.
Yeah, and these are the new tires?
No, this is a tire that the customer, this was a spare tire.
Oh, okay.
So we're recommending all 4 tires for this customer.
Oh yeah, these have seen, wow.
Yeah, these are dead.
Yeah, you got
this came in for a drive belt because he had no power steering.
Okay.
And turns out that his belt snapped.
Oh wow.
So we have that coming and we're getting that taken care of. But obviously while it's here, we'll take a look at everything else and see if there's anything that we could help the customer fix, while they're here.
Yeah.
So we recommend all 4 tires all around. Otherwise, it's in pretty good condition.
Yeah, I really want one of these eventually.
Yeah, pretty good condition. Over here is actually our famous guy.
Yeah, I know, the coolest car here. The car that everybody loves, including myself.
So, I know you did a lot of videos of the outside, but now you get to actually see underneath. So let's take a look.
AC.
So under here is bone dry. No, nothing really crazy going on here between the engine.
Look at this.
I mean, it's all dry. It's little moisture, but I mean, we'll figure out what that is. Nothing major. We're gonna do a oil change on this. We got a little seepage here. So, and that's from the drain plug. You can see right there. So
yeah, it needs a new washer maybe.
Yep. It's just sometimes these are just not tightened.
Yeah.
And then they leak.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take care of that. So we're gonna do oil change anyway, because we bring them in and we take care of that. Get the oil change down. Everything up here looks pretty basic. The radiator's not leaking. Everything else is pretty bone dry. So this one here, 4 brand new tires as well, just got installed.
And this is the customer's car?
This is, nope, just level 1. So we write stuff on it as we expect as they come into the lot. So we got our RO level 1 inspection. AC is warm.
The catalytic hot dog light.
converter, hot dog light is on, mount and balance 4 new tires, and complete for service. So that's all
And
done.
that's today's date, 8/16.
Yep, it's 16. It's all done. So now she's ready to roll out,
Yeah.
and on to the next one, basically.
But
And that's what we do. We just keep it rolling. We want to make sure all the units that come into our fold, into our company, are looked at,
Yeah.
not just passed.
you
on.
don't sell like off the boat.
No.
Yeah.
No. fresh
That's the
off
beauty
boat.
of this, honestly, because a lot of the times, even before you had this, it was much harder to do. But now this is 1, 2, 3.
It's a 1, 2, 3 exactly.
Yeah.
Because for us to get this done, we had to send it to beg the shop to take it, and when they do take it, they prioritize regular cars over ours because they look at it as, oh my God, if I need a part, I can't find it. So
Yeah.
let's get to it when we get to it. Right now, we don't have to deal with that.
Yeah.
It comes in, it's done. You got tire balancing getting done right here. So inboard would be on the inside here, outbound would be on your out here, and then you got your weights and stuff over there that they would put on to balance it.